Monday morning, July 4th. I get up pretty early, about 9, eat breakfast, and come outside here to get started on this stuff. It's pretty hot outside already, and the dang sun is booming out there. Probably should have had some sunglasses on in this next little part because I could barely see.
Alright, this week we got 2 car shows coming up. We got the 4-H car show here locally, and we got Cam's Island next week. The 4-H show, I'm going to try to get both the cars, the Impala and the Caprice, out. Take them up there, see how they do. It's not really nothing too crazy or competitive. It's just going to be a fun, you know what I'm saying? Take the cars out to the fair, walk around with my girl, probably get some food. And yeah, should be a pretty good day. It's on Saturday. But the plan today is I'm going to get the Caprice opened up here, and I want to clean out the wheel wells. I want to clean up the firewall a little bit. Maybe see about doing some cleanup on the wiring. I don't know if I'll get that today, but I definitely want to clean up the wheel wells. They got a couple little spots on them. I just want to paint them, make them look nice, get that stuff cleaned up, a little more organized under there. And it's really about it for today, man. I got all week to get these cars ready, so the Impala don't have a whole lot to do. I'm probably just going to wash that one and clean it up real good on Friday, and that'll be about it. The Caprice needs a little bit more work, but I'm going to knock that out through the week here. But yeah, I'm about to get started on these wheel wells and the firewall, and maybe the core support a little bit, but we'll just see how bad everything looks. Nothing too crazy. I did this not that long ago, so really don't need it that bad, but I just want to make sure everything's looking nice under the hood when we get up there. Alright, so got the hood open, checking it out, and this is pretty much the plan. We're going to get all these wires off the firewall on this side, get this coolant reservoir off, get all this shit off. I'm going to sand down these wheel wells a little bit. I'm going to get this battery out, get that charged, and get that cleaned up. It's got some corrosion on the ground side, get that cleaned up. And then hit it with some paint, some clear. Put this stuff back together, and should be looking pretty good then. Probably all I'm going to do here for the upcoming weekend, but a lot more to both wheel wells done, cross member done, the overflow tank, battery holder. Wasn't too bad. Wait for the stuff to dry up, put it all back together. I had to get the battery charged and terminals cleaned up, but other than that, yeah, I'm pretty good pace here. Put my tools up and go inside and eat some lunch and chill out for a little while. Wasn't too much longer after that, I get a call from one of my uncles, spazzing out, talking about he got some fireworks at the last second. I gotta come see. We weren't even gonna get fireworks this year because all of us pretty broke, but he decided he was gonna go grab them, so I go over here to check out and see what he's got. And to my surprise, he actually had got some shit. It wasn't just snakes and sparklers. We got the big boys here.
You know, little fun ones for my cousin Julia.
We got the pallet down here. Some of these fireworks at the pool. Chairs all set up. Got my other little camera. We're gonna see what this thing does.
Red Rascal? You want to set that Red Rascal first, honey?
Yes, supposedly loud.
It's all you.
Tell your Nana she should come down.
You like those two?
Yeah.
All right, we'll do this one first, this one second.
Sure.
Huh? Yeah, because this one explodes.
Oh, right.
So this one first,
Yeah,
this
yeah.
one second. I'll do this one. You ready? Three, two, one. Get that one. I got you.